Hello everybody, this is STL weather meteorologist Bobby Stoll here with an update on the severe storms that are pushing through the area right now. Let's go straight to the weather here. There are 2 severe thunderstorm warnings out for, it looks to be Calhoun County, most of Jersey County, some of St. Charles, as well as counties in the western portion of the viewing area. There's a line of storms that are pushing through. Let me go ahead and stop the motion here for you, and let's look at hail right now. There are not that many hail cores in this one. There's only one, and it is right there. That's the one that's really concerning me. And based on the track of it, we could see, let me take off the motion and zoom in here. Cities that are under the gun for this one are looking to be the most of the hail. It appears to be tracking on kind of a southeast track, so let me go ahead and put that on. That's not a good circle. Let me try that again. Crap. Sorry about that. Let me try it again. Okay. And yes. And it appears to be tracking to the southeast, so we're looking at cities like Foley, Winfield, Chain of Rocks, Flint Hill, Moscow Mills, Fountain and Lakes. You guys are all under the gun for this one. And there's another hail core. Let me pan the radar over and look at this one. Actually, hold on one second. Oh yeah, this is within the radar's range. Let me look at this hail core. It's not as big and there's not as much hail with it, but at the same time, this one's tracking east, so we're looking at the cities of right there. So this one's tracking east, so we're looking at Rhineland, McKittrick, Herman, and Berger. You guys are all under the gun for this hailstorm. Let's pan back out and switch back to the reflectivity image. It seems to me that the line as a whole is tracking southeast. Let me see what I think will hit Bethalto. Actually, that break might hit us here in Bethalto. Looks like we'll have to stay tuned for further updates in this one. Before I go off, let me check range here quick. Stop the motion. Now, based on the track, I'm putting the storm. I think this is the area we need to look at for Bethalto. So Bethalto is about 44 miles for this one. The area under the most concern is this area right in. Just got a new image. Right in here. That appears to be tracking towards that appears to kind of be tracking somewhat towards Bethalto. That's not a good arrow. Let me redraw that arrow. Somewhat like this towards Bethalto is what I get on the track. And so, yeah, let's just stay tuned here to STL Weather on YouTube for further updates as the storm moves in. Stay safe, everybody.